back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the healthcare field as a Medicare Billing Specialist. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. The company 3M, you may know them for the little sticky pull wall tabs that they make that you can use to hang pictures that doesn't pull your drywall off the wall. They are in a variety of different industries and business. They are hiring a billing collection specialist. This is remote for the United States only. But they are looking for someone to proactively collect previous denied payment from Medicare by following the defined collection process in accordance with the Medicare guidelines in a timely manner. So you are going to be working with denied insurance claims that have been denied by Medicare. You're trying to figure out why they've been denied, correct them, resubmit them, get Medicare to send a payment for those claims. You'll be achieving billing and collection targets. You'll have to meet goals in compliance with federal rules and regulations. And you'll have to proactively resolve and address Medicare denials. So you'll have to generate denied claim status, follow up in the computer system. You'll have to demonstrate effective telephone skills, research, validate, and document the patient or beneficiary eligibility information, and understand the role and impact that the departmental teams have on each other. Now, as far as what they are looking for, they do not require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who has a general office experience, but outside of just a general office administrative type experience, you're not required to actually have any healthcare experience. They do want somebody who can work with a 10 key or keyboarding skills. Now, 10 key is that number keypad that's normally on the right side of your keyboard if you're right-handed. If you have a left-handed keyboard, it should be on the left-hand side. Somebody who has experience working with Microsoft Office, that's Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, all of those things. That's really all that they are requiring. They do kind of prefer somebody who has great problem-solving skills and who can have the ability to prioritize different work duties. Now, of course, the actual job listing does not list a pay. Actual pay is going to have to be discussed at the time of the interview. However, I always try to find an estimate to gauge things by, and per Glassdoor, a billing and collection specialist at 3M makes anywhere from $46,000 a year all the way up to $52,000 a year. Then I found something that says a collection specialist, and that is $45,000 a year to $65,000 a year. And then I found a job title that was just a billing specialist. That is $45,000 to $50,000 a year. So taking all these into consideration, it looks like the pay range on the low end would be $45,000 a year and about $60,000 to $65,000 a year on the high end. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.